how to buy XCN token on Uniswap version 3. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, it's available on COINEX, as you can see here. To be able to buy this token on Uniswap version 3, click on the markets here. As you can see, you will be able to find a Uniswap version 3. Now click on this pair and you will be able to redirect it to this page. So after that, click on trade on Uniswap version 3 again. And now, as you can see, you will be able to land to this page on Uniswap. So first, you need to connect your wallet. So after that, click on connect. Now select your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. Click on connect here. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap version 3, what you need to do, in case you don't find the token here, go back to this page on the token on CoinEx, copy the token address from here, go back and click here and paste. And first, select the Ethereum as a network, of course. Now paste the token address here. So after that, as you can see, click on it and you will be able to find it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT. So after you select the token that you want to buy with, make sure that you have on your found it on your wallet. So as you can see here, type how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. So click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on Uniswap version 3. So this is how to buy XCN token on Uniswap version 3. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.